I would like to share with you the top 5 online programming learning sites that are highly rated by developers. 1. iOS Developer Library. If you are a beginner and want to learn iOS development, the best place to start is Apple's official iOS App Development Guide, the iOS Developer Library. The iOS Developer Library provides a very detailed guide for iOS development and is designed to take developers step by step. However, to access all the resources of the iOS Dev Center, you will need to register as a paid member of the Apple Developer Program. 2. Android developers. Similarly, the best place to start learning Android development is Google's official Android developer platform. Android Developers has all the development guides, documentation, and tools a developer needs to learn how to build an Android app from scratch. You can also find all of the new Android systems, new tools, and new features announced by Google on Android Developers First. 3. Code School. Code School emphasizes learn by doing in programming education. They believe that it is more important to learn by doing than by listening to lectures. 4. Scratch. Scratch is used for programming education for children. Developed in the United States, it allows you to learn visually, so you can learn programming without typing code. It is certainly for children, but adults can also learn while having fun by creating games as they are programmed. It is free to use. 5. SidePoint. The last one I would like to introduce is SidePoint, a highly renowned online media site from Australia. Founded in 1999, it offers a wide range of development and design tutorials. SidePoint courses are primarily aimed at professional developers and designers, covering JS, HTML, CSS, mobile and web development, UI design, and more. These are top 5 online programming learning sites I share. Thank you.